Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Pirate Day with Amaya Raine. So, oh, wouldn't that have made a cute hat? So I got out some black fabric. It is a velvety, because she's going to be a fancy pirate. And I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy pirate. That is a pair of pants that I bought inexpensively to cut up. Oh, I'm surprised I haven't cut them yet. To make doll items. We're going to go with these scraps and see what we can do. One thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this off for our tie on her top. Oops. You have to cut from the other end. All right. Ooh, don't get her hair. And it's okay, she's a pirate, doesn't have to be perfect. I am going to need a safety pin, though. I forgot to bring a safety pin. We are out in the studio doing this, and you always cut more than you think you need. And I'm just cutting a triangle. It doesn't have to be straight or fancy or anything. I need a safety pin. Okay, I laid the strap over. I folded this back. I know black on black and black is hard to see. I get that. And I'm simply going to safety pin that, which will give her a silver nugget in the front. And this is going to be her quick and easy top. We're going to pull that tight and tie it at the neck. Oh, it's kind of long for a sexy pirate, but we're going to go with it. And we are going to tie this kind of tight around her neck. Usually I like them a little lower down past the collarbone. And we're going to tie this in the back with the back open for, you know, pirates. That's hot out there, especially when you're working, swinging your sword, killing people. And that made her top. And then we're going to cut, oh, you know what? That would work. That, I think, would work. We're going to use this piece here and see, doesn't have to be equal, if that won't make a bandana to hold her beautiful hair back. Oh, come on, Violet, pull your hair out of the way. Violet, I have had since when they first came out, when the Rainbow High Dolls first came out. She was one of the first I got. I think we got 2 of her so that I could have a model for sewing. And she has been, oh boy, I can't, come on, Marna. There we go. Yes, it can be over her face. I do my own this way all the time. I ride them on bicycles. She has been a good model for me, and I'll tell you, these dolls, oh God, not only are they so lovely, they are, oh, I got it too tight. I said I wouldn't, and I did. All right, I've got it pulled back. We're going to put her earrings in front of it. I put these earrings on her. She did not come with them. I started to say, I pulled too tight. I started to say these dolls aren't just beautiful. They are well made. I mean, I've played with this doll. She's done all kinds of stuff. And if you notice, there's not too many broken Rainbow High Dolls out there when you're thrifting. I can't find rainbow dolls around here, Rainbow High Dolls, or any dolls. Put that back in. Push this forward. Look how cute that is. Oh, she could be going out with the 60s too. Let's put this other earring back in. When I use regular earrings, what I normally do is I run a hot glue down that, let it get tacky, push it in. Not only does it hold it, it makes that thicker. Oh, she is looking cute. All right, she needs one more thing. A sexy pirate skirt. Look, I use that for something. These Rainbow High Dolls, if you don't have them and you're thinking about getting one, I highly recommend them. They come in several sizes. And we are going to cut across here and make her really sexy. Yes, it doesn't need to be all straight and nice. This is a sexy pirate. And we are going to tie this off around her waist. Oh, that's too long. I got overzealous. We're going to tie this off.
Gonna have to get an 18-inch doll.
Yeah, I am. To the side. This would fit Poopsie Surprise. When Dory and I do these challenges, this is for any rainbow high doll. I mean any. Let's pull that sexy and push this up and pull that over, and there you have Ahoy. That's kind of a big knot. This needed to be smaller. Let's chop it a little bit. Let's just chop it. You can use any rainbow high doll. You can use any doll you want, to be honest. We just want you to participate because it's fun and have a good time with us. I think I'm going to take about this much off and cut it across. And Dory and I do the Amaya Raine each month on the 3rd. We upload at 10 o'clock. I pulled that off again. We upload at 10 o'clock a.m. You can upload anytime you want. We don't really care. You can use any doll. We just want you to participate. Our theme this month for all across the board, we also do Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th and Hi Barbie. Oh, that's way better. Hi Barbie on the 18th. And our theme is Pirates across the board. That when I say across the board, that means for all of them. That's how I put a bandana on myself. And we just have a lot of fun. Dory and I do a lot of collabs together, but this is the challenge that we offer for everyone to participate. And I did that wrong. Or did I? No, I did not. There we go. There we go. That is my pirate for Amaya Raine. She's got on her sexy bandanas. Actually, a black bandana is what I wanted. I just didn't have one. We thank you for watching. We thank you for participating. I especially, and I wanted her barefoot because she's a pirate. I especially want to thank Dory for month after month of fun. If you have a video today, please let us know in the comments, not only on my page, but on everyone who's participating. Add that to their comments so that they know that you have one and come by and watch your video too. Don't miss us on the 16th for Dolls Gone Goth, any, let's call them edgy kind of doll, and Hi Barbie, any size, any kind of Barbie. And again, the theme there is Pirates also. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and let us know if you have a video. Subscribe to my channel and join us live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Central. Thanks for watching.